Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. In order to give you complete information about your CLAT 2022 admissions, colleges and all the other guidance, we are providing this regular videos. In this video, what I'm going to discuss is that what are the number of seats available in different categories at different NLUs. So today I'm going to cover 6 NLUs. Tomorrow I will be covering next 6 and then I will be covering on the rest of the day. Okay? Okay. So that I will be in a position to give you complete information about how many seats are available in a particular NLU. Okay? And that too in varieties of the category. At the same time, I'm also going to discuss about the fee structure of the NLU. Let me tell you what is the structure I'm going to give you. So this is NLSIU Bangalore. Okay, that is what we are talking about. Okay, NLSIU Bangalore is number 1 in NIRF ranking, in India Today ranking, in Outlook magazine ranking. Placement wise, it is number 1 and it is defeating all NLUs every time. Okay, so that's a wonderful part. I already told you that NLSIU Bangalore has more seats this year. Okay, last year it had only 120. Now this year they have 180, 60 more seats. Okay, which program do they offer? BALLB. Keep in mind, be comfortable with this structure. I've prepared a wonderful structure for you so that you can actually understand everything in detail. Okay, number 1, that is a program. How many seats are there? Total 180 seats are there, out of which 89 seats are for general candidate. So which means this year, if you are going to get top 100 rank, top 120 rank, you have a great chance of getting into NLSIU Bangalore. SCs students के लिए 27. So if you are scheduled caste student, then you have to get into top 30 in your, you can say, category, top 40 in your category. ST के लिए 14. OBC के लिए 30. ये ऑल इंडिया SC ST OBC है. EWS के लिए 11. ठीक है. PWD के लिए 9. There are no reservation for JNK. There are no NRI or NRI sponsored seats available. Okay. There is this 25% domicile reservation is happening. What is the meaning of domicile? The students who are from Karnataka will get admission here. Okay, but that's an horizontal reservation. So this 25% is applicable to each category. Okay, this is applicable to each category. That is why the numbers are. Okay, okay. So which means if you are from, you can say, not Karnataka. Okay, then your number of seats are not 89. Okay, 89 minus 23. Okay, that makes it to some around 66 seats are available. So if you are all India student, you are not from Karnataka, you have to be in top 100 rank, then you can get into this NLSIU Bangalore. Is that comfortable? Is that very clear? समझिए, ये total seats है. This entire part is a total seats. और ये जो रिजर्वेशन है 18%, 25%, ठीक है, दैट इज एप्लीकेबल हॉरिजॉन्टली हर एक कैटेगरी में से उसको देते हैं. बहुत बार NRI, जम्मू कश्मीर, ये जो रिजर्वेशन होता है दैट इज सुपर न्यूमरी, विच मीन्स ये जो सीट्स है उसके ऊपर, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर एडिशनल सीट्स होती है. दैट इज हाउ द आइडिया इज. लेट्स लुक एट नंबर 2. नालसार, you can say Hyderabad. Okay, this is at number 2 in the world. I believe you can say this Mumbai NLU may possibly, you can say, cross this very soon, Nalsar Hyderabad. But anyway, total 132 seats are available. Is there any reservation for, you can say, Telangana people? Yes, it is 25%. Okay, so total 33 seats are available. ये जो point मैंने डाल के रखा है ना, ठीक है, so don't get confused, it's just percentage, 25%, तो उसको वो न्यूमेरिकली you can say adjust कर देंगे कॉलेज वाले. Okay, ठीक है. Anyway, coming back to here, there are no NRI, no Jammu and Kashmir. There is a women reservation of 30%, which is once again 30% horizontal reservation in each category. 30% reservation are for women, ठीक है, and that too in domicile as well. Okay, fee structure is 1,45,000 per annum. ये मैं बताना भूल गया था आपको, 2,88,855 for 1 year program per annum for NLSIU Bangalore, and this is 145 for Nalsar. Coming to, you can say, NLU Bhopal. It has two programs, BA LLB and BSc LLB. BSc in a cyber security. Okay, so there are 120 seats available for BA LLB, 60 seats available for BSc LLB. Is that okay? Great. ठीक है. So BSc LLB honors cyber security. Now total 180 seats. Is there a domicile reservation? Yes. And how much? 50%. So if you are from MP, you have a domicile certificate, you are going to get very super benefit. ठीक है. Is there any women reservation? Yes. 25% in BA LLB course. For BSc, no reservation. For women, no reservation for domicile. Okay. There are separate NRI sponsored program. Okay. 18 seats are available. ठीक है. What is the fee structure for NRI? NRI fee structure is 1 lakh rupees per annum plus 10,000 US dollar. That's the fees for NRI. Okay. Is that okay? Great. Otherwise, normally their fees is 2,36,000 rupees per annum. Okay. Is that very clear for both the program? There are no NRI seats available for BSc LLB cyber security, and thereby we don't know the fee structure. There is no college at all. ठीक है. While WB NU JS Kolkata offers BA and BSc LLB combined in 132 seats. Okay. Do they have a domicile? Yes, 31%. Okay. Do they have women reservation? No. Do they have NRI seats? Yes. Okay. So their fee structure is per semester 73,200. So there are 2 semesters in a year. You can calculate on your own what is the annual fee. Plus, you can say NRI students have 5,000 per semester, which is $10,000 is the fees for, you can say, annually for NRI. Which means you want to take decision for NRI, feel free and take it. Okay. Then you have, you can say, NLU Jodhpur. NLU Jodhpur has 2 programs, BLLB, BBLLB in out of 126. Okay. Out of which 16 are NRI, 75 for general, 16 for SC, 8 ST, no OBC quota, no EWS quota, PWD 5, no Jammu Kashmir reservation, no domicile reservation. Okay, and per semester fees is very high, 144, which is 288. NRI fees is per annum is 7,50,000 rupees. Okay, and then we have Raipur, offers BLLB program, 170 seats. Do they have a domicile reservation? Yes. How much? Approximately 50%, 85 seats. Okay, that's a domicile. ठीक है. In each category, they get this. Okay, ठीक है. So this is, I think some mistake has happened. This is 39. This is 6. ठीक है. Okay, 39, 6, 3. Okay, OBC is 11. ठीक है. Okay, that's how the numbers are. EWS is 4. ठीक है. And 5% horizontal reservation for PWD. जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए 2 supernumerary seats and NRI sponsored के लिए 8. What is the fee structure for NRI? 95,000 rupees fees plus $6,000 per annum, while 2,05,000 is an annual fee for Raipur. Raipur में domicile के लिए 50% seat और women के लिए 30% seats available है. So दोस्तों, this is what the numbers are. Okay, I hope this is very clear. ठीक है. In the next module, I'm going to talk about the next NLUs. But I'm sure, ठीक है, ये तरीका आपको पसंद आ रहा होगा. It gives you clarity. ठीक है दोस्तों, when I end this module, ठीक है, I will be giving you proper clarity कि भैया जनरल कैटेगरी डोमिसाइल को हटा के कितनी सीट्स है. That means you'll get to know कि आप कितनी सीट्स के लिए लड़ाई कर रहे हो. Yes or no? Great. So दोस्तों, ये सब सीट्स बताने से मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि भैया मेहनत करें, फॉर्म भरने पे ध्यान दीजिए कि आपको क्या कैटेगरी का फॉर्म भरना है. इट इज जनरल, SC, ST, OBC, AWS, क्या भरना है. यू शुड नो इट प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. यू शुड नो देयर आर सीट्स अवेलेबल. ठीक है. एंड अप्लाई अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, ग्रेट. ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. ठीक है. इन केस यू हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक सजेशन फॉर अस टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन, प्लीज let us know. Okay, thank you and all the best.